Just 5 more minutes of scrolling. Wait! No, no, no!
Please don't be broken.
Come on, turn on, please! Works for me! What am I supposed to do now?
I keep reaching for it.
I forgot where the post office is without my GPS. Was this mural always here? That smells incredible. Wow, look at all these colors.
Fresh out of the oven, young lady.
I'll take the blueberry muffin, please. It looks delicious.
Excellent choice, coming right up.
I never realized how much I miss by rushing. Maybe this isn't so bad after all. The birds, they're so loud and clear today. How cute! It's so peaceful just watching the water. Everything feels so real when you touch it.
Would you like to help me feed them?
Yes, please!
I remember picking apples in this park with my mother.
That is such a wonderful memory. I look presentable. Nature has the best perfumes. This melody is beautiful.
Thank you for the music.
Here, let me help you with those. Here you are.
You're very kind. Thank you.
Everyone has a story, don't they?
I haven't drawn in years.
That's a lovely sketch. You're talented.
It feels so good to create something. The sky is like a painting tonight. I would have missed this if I were looking at my screen.
Good evening, Mr. Henderson! Home at last. I don't need it right now.
So calm.
I forgot how good paper feels.
Thank you for breaking today.
Today was real. Good night, world. Another beautiful day. Can you fix this? Take your time, no rush.
It'll be 2 days.
Perfect, I can wait. I'm not missing anything important online. Let's see what else I can learn. The universe is so much bigger than a 6-inch screen. I'll check it later. I've missed these real talks. Life is happening right here.
The real world is beautiful.